El Dorado. The original legend of El Dorado, the Golden Man, began around 1530. According to the legend, an Indian chief from Colombia used to cover himself in gold dust and sail out onto Lake Guatavita. Then he threw gold and treasures into the lake as a way of pleasing the gods. The Spanish heard about the legend of El Dorado and searched for the treasure in Lake Guatavita. They found many treasures hidden deep in the water and took away a huge amount of gold. They came to believe that somewhere, lying hidden, there was also a city made of gold. To this day, no one has found the Golden Kingdom. The name El Dorado has become linked with a lost city of gold. Many still believe that the lost city of gold lies deep in a forest or high on a mountain in Colombia, waiting to be discovered.